Hello guys, my name is Andre and today I'm gonna show you how to restick old kitchen door. Yeah. First what you're gonna need is clean the surface, what I already did it. Yeah. So now I'm gonna got the red sticker as you can see. Yeah. So I'm trying doing this simple as possible. So I just put the door on the floor as you can see and got it in here. I leave it in here about 10 mil space, yeah, excess. Now I'm gonna cut this side. Yeah, this job needs a lot of patience, guys. It's very hard. Yeah, because I'm doing first time, so needs a lot of patience and sharp blade. The best is scalpel blade. Yeah, this is just knife, but I sharpened it already, so it's okay. Alright, so this is the sticker. Yeah, you peel the white cover off. Okay, nice. So peel the back off if I can. Sometimes it's hard. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Like I said, you need a patience. Yeah. Take that off. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it on the door. Alright, I'm doing first edges, the corners, yeah. Now you need a cloth, or the best is scraper, but I haven't got scraper, so I'm doing with cloth. Now just try to remove all the bubbles. Yeah, nice and slow. When I start it always from the middle. Yeah, one hand you hold in, and the other hand you have to work. Yeah? I hold in my leg, as you can see. So from the middle out. Yeah, from the middle out. From the middle out. And sorry about my lighting, yeah, because I recorded on my phone, so but you can see anyway. Okay, like this, from the middle out all the time. From the middle out. Yeah, nice and steady. From the middle out, from the middle out. Now we can remove the rest, and voila, job is done, as you can see. Yeah, no bubbles, that's good sign. Yeah. Edges, we need perfect sticking. Okie dokie. For first time, it's very hard job, yeah. But you know, everybody trying, so I'm doing it too. Okay, so this is the final job. Yeah, here we are, have the excess, but I'm gonna take it off. Okay, I leave in the top. Where's the top? Here. Yeah, I leave that top on there, so I'm doing just this side, bottom, and that's it. Job done. Okay. There's my knife in here. Like I said, you need a sharp blade, yeah, because it's very important. If you haven't got sharp blade, you're gonna get mud. Okay, so like this. Now I'm gonna cut the excess off. Yeah, you see, that's why I said you need a sharp blade. Nice and steady, no brush. Okay, this one you don't need. Now this is the top, so I'm gonna do bottom here. Same process. Okay. Now I'm gonna stick the top. I'm doing just by hand. Maybe I'm doing wrong this job, yeah, but I'm trying my best. So yeah, like this. No good. You see, like I said, you need to be patient. Again, try with gloves. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's better. Alright. Yeah, that's good. That's what I want. Okay, so, you see? Nice, straight. No bubbles, that's good. Here, no bubbles. So I'm happy with my work. Okay, thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.